Alright, so I just took the screws out, and as you can see, it's just kind of letting as much as possible drip out so that I don't make a mess like I did previously. Okay, so I tried to do this while recording and it was just making a mess, so I put the phone down. As you can see, my little puddles there. So essentially you come back here. Alright, so here's the tire stand, right? It's kind of, here's the motor oil, and behind there's the transmission case. And then there's a bunch of, these are the screws. They're all around the oil pan. And see those holes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of them. And then once you do that, this drops down, so be careful. I have 2 plastic containers there to catch the oil, and I still made a mess. And once that drops down, you make sure you pull this out. This is the filter. Alright. And that fat part goes in that fat hole. So this might be stuck up there. And when you put the oil pan out and just, you know, mess around with it, pull it out, it should just pop right out. And then just go get something to eat or go do something chill and just wait for all this oil to drip. And once you're done, put the oil filter, this thing, a new one, obviously not this crap, put this back up in there, and then you're gonna put the oil pan back up and just start inserting your number 10, just all the way around, and that should be it. I'll try to record it once I'm doing it, but if I don't, because I get the mess, that's pretty much it. Once you're done with that, go. This is where is it? Hot, cold, and it's alright, now we're gonna go in here and we're gonna test. Go here and just go down the gears, reverse, neutral, D, 1, 2, whatever.